Are you tired of complicated workout routines that leave you frustrated and with little progress? It's time to simplify and focus on what really matters, doing the right exercises. In today's video, we're breaking down the 4 essential exercises you need to build mass, improve strength, and transform your physique. These compound movements target every major muscle group, maximize your gains, and give you the results you've been looking for. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, mastering these exercises will take your fitness to the next level. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you're always the first to get pro tips that will elevate your fitness game. Let's get started. Number 1, pull-ups, the ultimate test of upper body strength. Pull-ups are often considered the ultimate test of upper body strength, and for good reason. This bodyweight exercise primarily targets the lats, traps, biceps, and core, making it one of the most effective movements for building a V-shaped torso and overall upper body muscle definition. Pull-ups not only help develop strength and size, but also improve your relative strength, the ability to move your own body weight, which is key for other athletic activities. Why pull-ups are crucial for building upper body strength? 1. Targets the lats and traps. Pull-ups are one of the best exercises to develop a wide muscular back, specifically the lats and traps, helping you achieve that coveted V shape. 2. Improves grip strength. Because you're hanging from the bar, pull-ups significantly improve grip strength, which translates to better performance in other pulling exercises like deadlifts and rows. 3. Engages the core. Maintaining proper posture during the pull-up engages your core muscles, helping to build abdominal strength and stability. Functional strength. Pull-ups mimic natural movements like climbing and lifting, making them a functional exercise that translates to real-world strength. 5. Scalable for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, there are variations and progressions of pull-ups to suit your current strength level. How to perform a pull-up. Grip the bar. Grab the pull-up bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your palms should face away from you. Pronated grip. Engage your shoulders. Hang with your arms fully extended and your shoulders relaxed. Engage your lats by pulling your shoulder blades down and back. Pull yourself up. Begin by driving your elbows down and back, pulling your chin over the bar. Focus on engaging your back muscles, particularly the lats. Number 2, squat, the king of leg exercises. When it comes to developing massive, powerful legs, nothing compares to the squat. Often referred to as the king of leg exercises, this movement serves as the foundation of strength training, engaging not just your quads, but also your hamstrings, glutes, calves, core, and even your lower back. The squat is a full-body exercise that demands stability, balance, and control, making it a must-have in any effective workout routine. Benefits of doing squats. 1. Full-body engagement. While it's primarily known as a leg exercise, the squat also strengthens your core, improves posture, and enhances overall coordination. 2. Promotes muscle growth. The squat allows you to move heavy weights, which stimulates the production of anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, driving significant muscle growth. 3. Functional strength. This movement mimics everyday actions like sitting and standing, ensuring the strength you gain is practical and directly applicable to your daily life. 4. Improves athletic performance. Strong legs are essential for activities like running, jumping, and lifting, making the squat an essential exercise for athletes. How to perform the squat. Set your stance. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, with your toes slightly turned out for optimal hip mobility. Position the barbell. Rest the barbell across your upper back, gripping it firmly with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Engage your core. Brace your core, keep your chest up, and maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. Lower into the squat. Push your hips back and bend your knees, lowering your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or deeper if your mobility allows. Drive back up. Push through your heels to return to a standing position, keeping your chest upright and your knees aligned with your toes. Number 3, Barbell Row. Develop a thick, strong back. The barbell row is a powerful compound movement essential for building a thicker, wider back. This exercise primarily targets the lats, traps, and rear delts, helping to create that strong, sculpted look many lifters strive for. Besides building muscle mass, it's an excellent exercise for improving your pulling strength, which enhances your performance in other lifts like deadlifts and pull-ups. Why barbell rows are essential. 1. Targets multiple upper body muscles. Barbell rows are highly effective for developing the lats, traps, rhomboids, and rear delts, which are crucial for a thick, well-rounded back. 2. Improves pulling power. Strengthening your back helps with exercises that require pulling strength, such as deadlifts, chin-ups, and rows, directly translating to better performance in these lifts. 3. Enhances posture. Building a strong back is key for improving posture, as it strengthens the muscles that support the spine and shoulders. Increases back thickness. Barbell rows are one of the best exercises for adding density and thickness to the upper back, giving you a more powerful and muscular appearance. 5. Balances pushing movements. For every pushing exercise you do, like the bench press or overhead press, it's important to include pulling exercises like the barbell row to prevent muscle imbalances and improve overall strength. How to perform the barbell row. Set up, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and grip the barbell with an overhand grip, palms facing down, slightly wider than shoulder width. Hinge at the hips, bend at your hips while keeping your knees slightly bent. Your torso should be at about a 45-degree angle to the ground, maintaining a neutral spine. Pull the barbell toward your chest. While keeping your elbows close to your body, pull the barbell towards your lower chest or upper abdomen. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement to fully engage your back muscles. Lower with control. Slowly lower the barbell back to the starting position, maintaining tension in your back muscles. Avoid momentum. Do not use excessive momentum to lift the weight. Focus on controlled movements and muscle engagement for maximum effectiveness. Number 4, deadlift, the ultimate muscle builder. The deadlift is often referred to as the king of lifts, and for good reason. This powerful total body exercise activates nearly every muscle in your body, making it a cornerstone of any effective strength training program. If you're serious about building muscle mass and developing raw strength, the deadlift is simply non-negotiable. Benefits of the deadlift. 1. Activates the posterior chain. The deadlift targets your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and traps, which form the foundation of strength and power in your body. 2. Promotes hypertrophy. No other exercise allows you to lift as much weight as the deadlift, making it perfect for stimulating muscle growth across multiple muscle groups. 3. Boosts hormone production. The high level of muscle activation triggers your body to produce more testosterone and growth hormone, which are critical for building size and strength. 4. Builds functional strength. The movement mirrors everyday actions like picking up heavy objects, ensuring the strength you gain is practical and applicable to real-life activities. How to perform the deadlift. Set your stance. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, with the barbell positioned over the middle of your feet. Grip the bar. Bend at your hips and knees to grab the bar with both hands, using either a double overhand grip or a mixed grip for heavier weights. Engage your core. Keep your chest up, back flat, and core braced to maintain proper alignment. Lift the bar. Push through your heels as you extend your hips and knees simultaneously, keeping the bar close to your body throughout the lift. Lock out. Stand tall at the top, squeezing your glutes, then lower the bar back to the ground in a controlled manner. By focusing on these 4 essential exercises, you'll effectively target every major muscle group and build a solid foundation for both strength and growth. Consistency is key. Stay committed, lift heavy, and watch your body transform into a stronger, more muscular version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more game-changing fitness tips, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Check out our other videos on the screen now for even more ways to take your fitness journey to the next level.